welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so today I'm doing a little bit of a different kind of a video. I got a gift from one of you guys, and so I wanted to just unbox it on my channel. Not unbox it, I already opened it, but I did want to shout her out, and I'm really thankful. You didn't have to do that, and you did it, and it really did lift my spirits, and I'm so happy. I just wanted to share it. I was so excited. So Stephanie, thank you so much, Stephanie, for sending us this gift. She not only sent me something, but she also sent my partner something, and I thought that was really sweet because he works for the shop. And so when you guys message me or him or the shop, he's the one that is responding back to you, not me. I kind of stopped. I don't have the time to be responding to Etsy messages because remember, I also have to do Patreon, and I also have to do YouTube, and I also have so many other things going on that I need to be doing behind the scenes. So he is taking over the Etsy shop messages, packaging, all of that stuff. So for her to think of him, I thought that was so sweet. Thank you so much. You really made our day. You made our month. You lifted our spirits, and that was so sweet. So with that being said, let's get into what she got. All right, so let's get to unboxing this beautiful package. So the first thing that I wanted to tell you guys that she got, which I was so excited about, this is what she messaged me to intentionally send me, and then she got me more things on top of that. This is the Lovely Omens Tarot deck. So I already did a reading with this deck, and oh my god, you guys, like, it's so pretty. And my favorite thing, it has a bunch of cats in there. This deck is so nice. Like, you have to know your tarot. I feel like you really, really have to know your tarot for a deck like this. This is a little bit more advanced, I think, which I love because I am getting more into studying it, the secrets, the hidden meanings, all that stuff. And I love this. This is a great deck for me to learn with and to do readings for you guys with. You know, I love it. Look at that, the cats and stuff. So, oh, thank you, Stephanie, so much for this. And it's so aesthetically appealing. I keep it on top of my reading table because it's so pretty. And the evil eye, of course, gets rid of negative energy. So thank you for this. And expect a lot more readings from this deck. But the next thing I want to share what she got is, so I've been meaning to buy some soap. I've been running out. And a lot of you know, of course, like my old school subscribers know that my skin is so sensitive, and I started this channel because of that. My skin is sensitive. I wanted a natural way to grow my hair. That's why I'm so into herbs and oils and stuff like that. So she sent me this Amethyst soap. It smells so good. It's lavender and sage, and oh, it smells so good. Even through the packaging, it smells so, so good. And there's a amethyst crystal in there. I love this. Thank you so much for this. This is vegan also, and amethyst brings clarity of mind. It's a powerful meditation stone. It's for purification, calmness, anxiety, depression, clearing your body of negative emotions. Lately, I have been experiencing more anxiety than usual, and I have been running to, you know, the anxiety calming herbs, crystals, and stones, and one of them is amethyst. So thank you. This was perfect timing. Thank you so much, Stephanie. And then the last two things that she got is this, which my boyfriend was so excited about. This is for him. This is a Tiger's Eye Honey Bourbon Tobacco candle. It's from Body Cantina. I've never heard of them before, but oh my god, you know I'm going to be checking them out. Thank you, Stephanie, so much for this. This is for confidence, resilience, and perspective. And they just made their candle so pretty. It smells so good. There's a Tiger's Eye crystal in it. It's a crackling one, which I think we're finally making time for like date nights at least once a week, at least. Like, we need it for our relationship. So this was like perfect because we get to light this in our movie nights, our date nights, and it smells so good. He loves this. And our spirits that we work with, their favorite thing is bourbon, honey, tobacco, sweet things, alcohol, and tobacco. So this is perfect. I feel like they're going to be so excited, and they will bless you 10 times over. And then this one's for me, Howlite. This is orchid and mandarin. Orchid is my favorite flower, and mandarin is something that really will lift your mood, and this smells so good. And this is for calmness, spiritual, you know, for spirituality and your third eye. And it has a howlite crystal right there. I love howlite crystals. Thank you so much for this. I can smell it. It smells so good. Thank you so much for all of these gifts, Stephanie. So Stephanie, we are going to be sending you something back. We're so appreciative. We're so grateful. We're so excited for all of this that we're going to be sending you something back. So expect a package in the mail. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it fun to watch. I just thought I had to share it. I had to share it, and I had to shout her out. So thank you so much, Stephanie, and my boyfriend also, from the bottom of his heart, thanks you so much. Also, if you guys want to see my boyfriend, we did a Q&A over on Patreon answering your guys' questions that a lot of you sent in for that Q&A. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.